Stacey's going to show me how to cut bread with the greatest of ease. Show me.
The most amazing way to cut bread is with a bread saw. They provide absolutely no downward force, not like a knife. A knife you have to really push through and you end up crushing your bread.
Crushing the bread. And I'm a bread maker. I love making my bread, okay?
It is amazing. So when you do a slice with a bread saw,
yes,
and look how thin that is. Here, it's your turn. What I want you to do is slice.
Yes.
Aim for the divot in the board.
Aim for the divot in the thing. Okay.
In the board, right?
Okay, good.
And we're going to, no downward force, just back and forth, a long, loving stroke.
What'd you say, long and loving?
Long and loving, why not?
Long and loving stroke. This is incredible.
Yeah.
No, but I actually have to be more gentle on the bread itself because I feel like I'm so used to having to hold the bread.
Absolutely.
So tight.
Honestly, we get like 95-year-old women who can't hold a knife, and it actually gives them back their freedom to be able to cut their own food. So like completely arthritic knuckles, and they can't hold a knife, and they can actually just saw because we're just moving our arm this way. We're not actually having to do that real grip that you do on a knife.
And you've also you do the chopping boards as
well.
Yeah,
yeah, they're amazing. So the reason that we did that is because when you cut through bread on a standard knife, on a standard board, you're actually grinding into the timber.
Oh my gosh.
So you're dulling
Up
the blade.
there for thinking, I tell you.
So we can actually go through the whole base, the crustiest of loaf, and you're not going to ruin the blade.
And what's the best way to maintain these and clean them? Because obviously we know blades do not go in the dishwasher either way.
Timber does not. I clean them like this. I use a small fluff of air.
Yes.
I mean, if you're going to do a fruit loaf and you've got a smudge, just get a paper towel, wipe from the back side, not the blade side, like that. Put it back into its bag, like so, and pop it into your drawer.
Get better in the bread room. I love it.